Okay, boys, we were doing the chapter sound and we were doing the problems on echoes. And formula which I gave was V is equal to 2D by T for the echoes. And that formula is applicable for an echo when the person who is producing sound himself is the listener. That the sound is returning back to the same point from where it is starting. Then only the formula V is equal to 2D by T is applicable. Okay. Today we'll
Sir,
continue with some more problems.
sorry, the
Yeah,
little little forward the name then.
then different. You have to see now how much distance the sound is traveling before the echo is heard. Okay. Those
So
cases
that
will
is
come. I will
V
give those cases later. Okay.
divided by T. No.
Those cases will be coming. Okay. The question. Please write a question. Write a question. A pendulum has a frequency of a pendulum. Question please. A pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations per second. 5 vibrations per second. A pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations. 5 vibrations per second. Full stop. An observer, an observer starts the pendulum. An observer
So can you please repeat?
starts the
A
pendulum.
pendulum has a vibration of.
A pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations. Five vibrations per second. Full stop. An observer starts the pendulum and fires the gun simultaneously. And fires the gun simultaneously. And fires the gun simultaneously. Fires the gun simultaneously. Full
Or
stop.
an
I think in the
observer.
last. Can you please repeat?
Okay,
Starts
please,
pendulum and
please mute everyone. Mute yourself first. Otherwise, it is echoing and you're not able to listen
Could you
properly.
repeat?
A pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations per second. 5 vibrations per second. To stop. An observer starts the pendulum and fires the gun simultaneously. And fires the gun simultaneously. To stop. Fires the gun simultaneously. To stop. He hears echo from the cliff. He hears echo from the cliff after 8 vibrations of the pendulum. After 8 vibrations of the pendulum. After 8 vibrations of the pendulum. We stop. If the velocity of sound in air is, if the velocity of sound in air is, if velocity of sound in air is 340, 340 meters per second, 340 meters per second, comma, find the distance between the cliff and the observer. Find the distance between the cliff. Find the distance between the cliff and the observer. And the observer.
Can you repeat once?
Find the
So your voice is cracking. Can you repeat? So your voice is cracking.
So please stop. Here's the echoes. Second part. Third part. Here's the echo.
Oh, you can repeat from first once more. So your voice was cracking.
a pendulum has a frequency of 5 vibrations per second. We stop. An observer starts the pendulum and fires the gun simultaneously. And fires the gun simultaneously. We stop. He hears.
So has a frequency of.
He hears. Well, boy, you're in the first line only. Frequency of 5 vibrations per second.
is
5 vibrations per second. Do one thing. You have the book. Please open page 155. This is question number 8. Page 155, question number 8. Refer to this. He hears the echo after. He hears the echo from the cliff after 8 vibrations of the pendulum. Yep, and the speed of sound is given 340 meters per second. You have to find the distance of the cliff from the observer. Okay, all to do. The observer is firing gun and hearing the echo. Himself only is hearing the echo. So I'll be using the same formula. V is equal to 2D by T. They are saying the pendulum vibrates 5 vibrations, timing is 1 second. But the echo is hearing when the 8 vibration of the pendulum is complete. So we'll do unitary method and find timing here. You can do that with 5 vibrations, timing is 1 second. Therefore, 8 vibrations, timing will be how much? 1 divided by 5 into 8. That will come 8 by 5, 8 by 5 seconds. That means timing of an echo is 8 by 5. I'll put that value here. V value is given 340. To distance we have to find, timing is given 8 by 5, right? 8 by 5 here. Now you find answer. This will come here this side. You get 340 into directly 8 by 5 is equal to 2D. Now I calculate the answer now. 2 and this will go 4 times. 5 and this I'll cancel. 5 this. Therefore D value is coming 68 into 4. Multiply 4 is 32. 272 meters is answer. 272 meters is answer. Quite simple. Timing is not given directly. So we are calibrating the timing by simple unitary method. 5 vibrations timing is 1 second. But the echo is heard only when the 8 vibrations of the pendulum is completed. 8 vibrations. 8 vibrations timing is how much? We are calculating that and then putting the value here and finding the answer. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 9 of the same page. Question number 9. Question number 9. We are doing question number 9 now of the same page. So please write the question. A person is standing between the 2 vertical cliffs. A person is standing between the 2 vertical cliffs.
Sir,
Between the 2 vertical cliffs. Yes.
sir, is it question
Yeah,
number
tell
9?
me.
You are this.
Yeah, question number 9. Question number 9. I will tell you question number 9.
Sir.
A person is standing between the 2 vertical cliffs, produces a sound. We stop. 2 successive echoes are heard. At 4 seconds and 6 seconds. 2 successive echoes are heard at 4 seconds and 6 seconds. We stop. Calculate the distance between the cliffs. Distance between the cliffs. Okay, that is the question. For this, we draw a diagram.
Sir, can you repeat the question
4
again?
seconds and 6 seconds. Please see the book now. Question number 9. 4 seconds and 6 seconds I said. Heard at 4 seconds and 6 seconds. Calculate the distance between the cliffs. Now how to do? We draw 2 vertical cliffs, one here. A person is standing here, anywhere in between. Suppose person stands here. Here is the person. Observer is here. A. He is producing sound and hearing 2 echoes in 4 second time and in 6 second time. Definitely 4 second echo will be heard from the nearer cliff. And the other one will be heard from the 6 seconds. We will be hearing the echo from the farther cliff. And in the question they have given this also. I forgot to give this right on. Speed of sound equal to 320 meters per second. It is given in the question. Speed of sound in air equal to 320. Speed of sound in air. speed of sound in air equal to 320 meters per second. It is given. Okay. You can draw that as from here the echo is heard like this. First echo is heard in 4 seconds. From the other one, the echo is heard in 6 seconds. You have to find the distance between this and this place, total distance. I'll mark this distance you have to find. This distance is unknown. This distance is D, unknown. Let us see from here till here, the distance, how much is the value of timing? The timing value, this is 4, this is 6. I'll add the timing here, right here, 4 plus 6. The total time is coming 10 seconds. Total time is becoming 10 seconds to cover this distance by echo. So now I'll be using the formula V is equal to 2D by T. V value is for 320. To distance we have to find and timing is given 10. This is the timing 10. Now we'll calculate the answer. 2 and this you can cancel 160. Therefore D value is coming 1600 meters. The answer. That means distance between the two vertical cliffs is 1600 meters. Please check and let me know whether you are understood or not.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. So if we calculate if we calculate 4 seconds and 6 seconds and add the value, so we'll get 1600 only.
Yes. You will get the same answer. This is one method. Though the second method also you can do. I'll find this distance as D1. This distance as D2, this distance as D2. Separately you can do, separately. Find D1 value separately, find D2 value separately, and then add them. You get the same answer coming, same answer. This is also a method of doing. So I'll first write that V is equal to 2 D1 by T, or T1, 2 D1 by T1. V value is 320, 2 D1, T1 value is 4. Let us get the answer to the D1 value is coming 640 meters. Similarly, we will do again V is equal to 2 D2 by T. V value is 320. 2 D2 we have to find timing is 6. 2 and this I'll cancel. D2 value is of 320 to 960 meters. Therefore, D value will come D1 plus D2. That means this answer plus this answer 640. Plus 960, check the answer is the same amount, 1600 meters. Same answer will come. What will we got here?
So we can do any method.
Yes, why not? You can do by any one of these methods. Either by this way or this way. Whichever you find easier. Which one you found easier, first method or second method? Tell me.
So first
Second.
first is very easy.
First method, sir.
Okay.
The first method, sir, very easy, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. But listen, you can use either of these methods. Okay, now, if question asks you, find the distance of the man from the nearer cliff. Nearer cliff, that is from this cliff. Nearer cliff is a 4 second timing one. You have to find the value D1. So then you have got no choice, you have to do this way only. D1 value you are finding separately. Or if the question asks you find the distance of the man from the farther cliff, then this distance you have to find D2. Then you have to do separately. But if question doesn't ask you, just find the distance between the two cliffs, we can do by this method easier. But keep in mind this question can be done by either of the ways. Okay. So this is done. Now I'll give another question now. Next question. Another question.
How did that flip
Next question now.
How did that game?
Please write the question, right question. This question is from page number 153, example 9. Page 153, example 9. Okay. So I read the question. Did I read the question or dictate? You all have the book no with you.
So which page
Sir,
number?
read.
So read. So I
Page
don't know.
153, example 9. Page 153, example 9. I'll just read the question, okay? I will not dictate. A person is standing between two vertical cliffs and 640 meters away from the nearest cliff, comma, produces sound. Stop. He hears the first echo after 4 seconds and the second echo 3 seconds later. Second echo 3 seconds later. Calculate A, first part, the speed of sound in air, and B, second part, the distance between the cliffs. The distance between the cliffs. Two parts are there. I'll explain to you the question. What does it say? It says there are two vertical cliffs. Man is standing here, near a cliff here. He is producing a sound and hearing two echoes, one from the nearer cliff and next from the farther cliff. From the nearer cliff, he is hearing the echo in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. And the distance of the man from the nearest cliff is also given, 640 meters. 640 meters given. And the second echo he is hearing from the second cliff. From the second cliff. What is the timing for that echo? Timing for the second echo is 3 seconds later than the first one. 3 seconds later. That means from the time that the sound is produced, what is the total time? 4 seconds here plus 3 7 seconds. Yes.
7.
Very good. That is 7 seconds. 7 seconds we is hearing the second echo. First part we are doing, what we have to do, we have to find the velocity of sound. Find the speed of sound in air. Then distance is known, time is known. But this is for echo, so I will be using the is no 640. Timing is 4. Let us write 4 and find the answer. 2 2s will go. The answer is coming 320 meters per second. This is the value of V. The first answer comes. Speed of sound in air is coming with this value 320 meters per second. Done. Now the second part of question, you have to find the distance between the cliffs. This I taught you the method, the first way you can do or by the second way. So if I find this way, the total timing is how much should I take? Total timing is 4 seconds plus 7 seconds. 4 plus 7, that is 11 seconds. And now you find the value of total distance. V is equal to that 2d by t. Velocity just now we found 320. To distance timing is 11. Therefore, find the value of d. D value is coming 320 into 11 by 2. Cancel and all, answer is coming 1760 meters. 1760. 1760 meter is the answer coming. Okay?
So,
Yes. Or we can do like you can find only distance. 4 plus 7, 4 plus total distance from here till here you have to find out what is the total timing. 4 seconds plus 7 seconds. Total timing is 11. Or you can do like this also. You can find this distance. Timing is on 7 seconds. And then this distance you find and then add 640. Then answer will come. This answer will come. That also you can do. You can do it direct way by adding the total time or by doing part wise. You find the answer of this part, whatever distance coming, that distance plus 640 already known, add and the answer will come same only. Same answer will come. Okay. Yeah. Tell me if you have any difficulty. Now I am doing the next question. Same page 153, question number 8. Example 8. Example 8 now, same page. So I read the question. I will read the question now. Question says a man is standing in front of a vertical cliff. A man is standing in front of a vertical cliff, fires a gun. He hears the echo after 3 seconds. He hears the echo after 3 seconds. After 3 seconds. We stop. On moving closer to the cliff, on moving closer to the cliff by, on moving closer to the cliff by 82.5 meters, by 82.5 meters, by 82.5 meters, comma, 82.5 meters, comma, he fires again and hears echo after 2.5 seconds, and hears echo after 2.5 seconds, and hears echo after 2.5 seconds. Stop. Find A, first part. The distance of cliff from the initial
Which
position
question?
of man.
Question 8.
I will written the number. The distance of cliff from the initial position of man, and second part B, the speed of sound. The speed of sound. Two things you have to find. Two things. Okay. Ready? Yes, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll explain to the question what does it say. It says that there is a man standing in front of a cliff firing gun and hearing echo after 3 seconds. Suppose the man is here. Initial position the man is here. Man is firing gun and hearing the echo. Okay. How much second of the time? In 3 seconds. After 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, he is hearing an echo. Now the man moves towards the cliff. Towards the cliff, somewhere here. The man is moving like this. A to B, like this. How much distance does he move? He is moving a distance of 82.5 meters. Towards the cliff, this way. And coming to the point B, again firing the gun again. Definitely he is closer, so timing will be now less. Now the timing of hearing the echo is 2.5 seconds. From here to here, the timing is 2.5 seconds. 2.5 seconds. And you have to find the distance of the cliff from the initial position of the man. Fine.
So your voice is getting.
Teach you first 6 seconds this part of the motion. What is the timing of this part? Subtract 3 minus 2.5. From here to here.
So your voice is cracking. So you are lagging.
Shut up. Sir, you are lagging.
Sir, you are lagging, man.
So there is some network issues with you. Costa Wi-Fi.
So you stop.
एकले पढाइरहेको छ ल
Sir, hang this news.
Hello.
Something is.
हाम्रो त कहाँ जान्छ सबैजना सबै भयो अब एक्लै पढाइरहेको हुन्छ लास्टमा आएर अन्डरस्टुड भन्छ नो सर हाउ यु नो हाउ यु गाइज डिड अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड भन्छ कि सर यु आर ओन्ली नट डुइङ द क्यामेरा अन थियो माइक अन थियो
Sir.
Where's Santos? Where's Santos?
Arun! तिमीहरूले प्रोजेक्ट सक्यो हिस्ट्रीको
के हो बुढो त भित्तामा
अस्ति
चल्ने
भर्खर
खोटाल्ने
दिएको
पो
अहिले
भयो
कसरी सक्छौ यति छिटो के भएको
खाली ओइ सङ्कल कुन चाहिँ हो?
Did anyone start geography?
कति ज्ञानी मान्छेहरू फर्स्टमा गरिदिइहाल्छ नि